Oh, shit, wrapped around the neck. There you go.
Uh-oh. Got your little hacky sack stuck in a tree.
I'll get it out. Damn it.
Get it, Rudy. Get Indian on it.
See, I got it's wrapped up here good. I gotta break it.
We got power lines. We got all these power lines right here. We got the house right here. House right here. And there's the mother. And I think he's gonna have to drop it right in there somewhere because there's a big mailbox he could destroy. Did it stay up there?
Still up there.
Oh, damn. I guess you're gonna have to climb that tree.
I'll get it. Take that bag off the other side. I'll get it.
The 32-year-old senior citizen going to town.
32.
We've already cut 5 trees down today. This is our 6th one. It's just now 8 in the morning. Rudy Saria, the tree service man, is now retired at the age of 32 years old. How come you got that salt and pepper hair going on at 32?
Stress.
Are you a wise man?
Stress. No, I'm not very wise at all. Rubber tool.
I gotta see this magic here. There's a lot to cutting down a tree when there's nowhere to land it. If you give me that chainsaw, I guarantee you we'll end up buying some house or some mailbox or some car and some
You can't talk like that.
electric wire. Rudy, what age did you start doing this?
What's that?
What age did you start doing this?
04? I don't know. How old was that in 04?
That's 13 years ago.
14.
13. 4 and 3, 7, mijo. Watch it. As videographer, I get paid by the job, but Rudy Saria, he gets paid by the hour, and that's why he moves so fast, people. Everybody's got to do something right, and he's got it right on. I totally thought that video you sent me the other day was one of your guys.
That?
I thought that video you sent me the other day was one of your guys. I was like, wow.
Dedicated.
Man, it pulled him right up out of the ground, didn't it? He barely missed that tree. He was gonna broke his leg or busted his nuts. Take your shirt off, Rudy.
Wow.
It's hot out here. I don't want you to get that nice tree shirt all sweaty. Plus, you got to show your watching audience what juice fasting will do for you. How long you been juice fasting now?
Okay. Can't gain a weight, right? Now, I gotta shoot the top. And get that rope in the top. That way.
What do you mean the top? Way up there on the...
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Which am I shooting right here? All these sticks in the way.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. You want this thing? This spool?
Right.
You don't make them give you half up front and then half if you don't hit the house?
I don't break nothing. That's other people's job.
Hell, I'd cut that little tree right there down and break something.
It's like, you'd be surprised. Some of the things that you think's really easy, that's the ones that will give you the problems.
I don't get how you're going to climb that tree with those stinking limbs in the way. That's just take me 10 hours to get up that sucker. Of course, I'm not a manual labor kind of guy.
Yeah, did you, or... Yeah, you can...
Oh, that's what that's for, huh? Big slingshot. Right on. Oh, yeah. Perfect shot. Well, I guess you've done this one a couple times too. Apostate Cristo. Up the tree, Jack.
I ain't got no videos of me. What about me? You got a narrator too, brother. This is fucking Rudy.
Oh, I've been narrating. I got 8 minutes of that crazy narrating.
If you don't go to school,
If you don't go to school,
go to college,
you can cut
be
trees.
doing this kind of work.
Well, you know what that's called? Manual labor.
Manual labor.
Hey,
You better have a
Manuel.
strong back.
Hey, Manuel. Jose, are you Jesus or Manuel?
You better have a strong mind or a strong back. One or the other.
How's your back, Rudy?
Not good.
Come on, Rudy. How's your back? How do you do it? How do you do it? You're 32-year-old ass doing this shit.
Not good.
Do you take a lot of ibuprofen and Tylenol?
Geritol.
Mix. Geritol.
Geritol, Bennett.
Metamucil every night.
Bengay.
Bengay.
Go. Up.
Hug that tree. Hug that tree. Look at him go.
And that's a root also in the trees. Something we don't get to see very often anymore because I'm the fucking climber.
Yeah.
I hope.
Hey, what are you thinking about? Get to work. and he's about 13 feet up in the air. 13 feet and 80 to go. And I'm backing up. I do not want to get hit. Well, now that didn't come down all the way, Rudy. Whoa! Yippee-ki-yay! And up he goes. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Oh, he's going without a rope. Now, you would not catch me up there doing any of that bullshit. I'm a kind of stand on the ground kind of guy. Oh! I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Climb a tree and fly away. Alright, these are some pretty big limbs coming down up there, huh? How's he gonna keep that from hitting the house? What's he gonna do?
Rope.
That's what that video was he sent me, dude. This guy was cutting the top off a tree, holding the rope. A big old guy's holding the rope out in the yard. Top fell down and pulled him up about 20 feet up there. Smacked right into the damn tree. Yeah, he... Watch it, Robbie. Now is when I'm backing up, man. I'm backing up. 15 minutes. Well, he is 2/3 of the way up that tree and actually only 10 minutes of climbing and sawing. Rudy Seria, he's up on the top notch. 300 lap. He did 500. Timber! Rudy, you've been up there 10 minutes. That's it. Get it done. If you can't make $400 in 45 minutes, you need to quit. "60-year-old man running around like he's a teenager. What's wrong with this guy? Jack LaLanne? Does he think he's Jack LaLanne? This is what good living will do for you, to make you grow old.
I gotta walk out there.
And work hard. Good living, good clean living. And that's about the nuttiest thing I ever seen right there. Just no rope or nothing. Oh my, I did my time. I barely made a dime and nobody wanted me. I thought that I played the radio. You'd hear my show and everyone would love me. Could not buy your one hero that you never told and I keep it from you. It's my time, 20 million sold and I never owe y'all to stuff back. Oi, oi, oi. I go out on a limb for you, baby. Oh, my stomach was just being a total fucking butterfly. Oh, sorry, I said a cuss word. Gonna have to censor that out. Well, that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it all fucking summer long, baby. Here we go. You're burning daylight, Rudy. Robbie, are you crawling on the ground over there? Oh, I couldn't see with that tree in the way. I couldn't see you. That rope was right in front of you. It was kind of hiding you. Beanpole. Oh my God. They're nuts. Here comes a big one. I'm out in the street. He's getting far, far away. Look at Rudy. He's looking out. He's looking down. He's looking up. He's looking down. That's Rudy. He goes fast, fast, fast. Up, down. All around. He'll land in them trees wherever he wants them. Within them. Half a centimeter. There it is. On the ground. Nothing broke. Nothing ripped. Rudy Soria, Superman! I'm trying my best to put a redneck accent on. Hope you guys will like it. I'm down here in the redneck Riviera, fucking panhandle of Florida, Roller, Alabama. Where the fire ants will get you. If the cops don't. That's gonna land right on that garage. I hope not. Not with Rudy cutting it, but you know, if I was up there, which I wouldn't be, but if I had a hankering to get up there in that tree, I'd put a hole right on top of that roof. That's a big limb. Woo, listen to that chainsaw. Oh shit. There's electrical lines right there. I'm getting the electrical lines and everything in this just in case. I want to see it if it happens. Told you it's a big limb. Oh shit. Hey, those electrical lines are looking nice, aren't they? Oh shit. Well, ain't that a shame? I don't even know my name. Oh, there's a rope tied onto that limb up there. That's what he climbed out on that limb for. See that rope up there on the outside of that? He climbed out there and tied it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. And they did it. And that's why they do the boot scootin' boogie. Damn. The boot scootin' boogie. That's pretty good there, Rudy. You are up there for now 18 minutes since you started. I'm telling you, if you don't make 445 minutes, you better retire. You gotta pay me $250 for doing this videography. That's a big piece of tree right there. What happened to the yard, Robbie?
Yeah.
You gonna do some landscaping? You calling Jose and Jesus over? Take that shirt off, Rudy. Close to being a senior citizen up there acting like a 20-year-old. A little smoke, a little poke, and a pinch, and you get it on run, don't you? It's over. Break's over. Cut it down. Little poke. Little smoke. Shot of whiskey and cut her down.
This one's this one. Go ahead, hold tight. Okay, so you got me. And the other one is right here.
Right
You
next
gotta
to the
get
tree.
it, pull it out.
Gonna make the hardest way possible. Ready? Oh. Fucking hard, you're gonna let me clean this shit up, dude.
Just do it,
You're getting a phone call.
Yeah.
Incoming call. Customer service, please.
Wait. No, I'm good. I'm just gonna drop this one, then drop that one, then I'm gonna fly it.
Hello. Yes, may I help you? This is Rudy's yard salvage. No, we do not take American Express. Why, sure, he's licensed and insured. Uh-huh. Wham! Hanging on for dear life up there. Like a monkey in a cage. Now he's doing what they call a figure eight. He's gonna run up on down that the ball. Get on that dang on the internet. These boys, they don't mess around here, do they? They get her done. I said that. You gotta be kidding me. Get her done. They have destroyed this person's yard. Now I'm going to try to make Rudy feel bad and see if he can count the rings in this tree, tell me how actually old this thing is, and just how many years of life this tree's been growing and being part of this landscape, feeding us oxygen. Now to be chopped up and put in someone's fireplace in a godforsaken part of the country where if you got a damn fireplace burning wood, you're, well, it is the South. They to me, It's just ignorant. Sorry. Did I say that? Oops. In the land of Dixie. Hey, Rudy, can I set this down? My arm's getting tired.
No. Hour.
My hand's getting heavy. Hey, Robbie, you got any ibuprofen?
Now at the house.
You got some ibuprofen?
I don't carry them on me no more. I got arrested for that.
Oh, what, you got them in a bag or a bottle?
And a bottle.
Okay. Does it say Tylenol on it?
It ain't nothing. They're ibuprofen, they hungry. I figured they weren't illegal.
Huh. You. Okay, here's topping it off. The dangerous part. Kids, boys and girls, do not do this without a professional stuntman involved. Do not try this at home. These are professionals. And there's one professional right there, look at him, just walking in circles with a rope. Getting hung up. I'm sure Rudy's a little nervous being on live TV and all. I hope all your family and friends, oh goodness. I hope all your family and friends have a newfound respect for this young man. Oh, watch it. Oh, hallelujah.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Can't shake it, break it. It's almost like they did all that on purpose. This is what you get when you go to the University of Milton.